Let me show you how to change your Instagram username. Now, if you're on Instagram and you want to update your username to something new, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing that we need to do, of course, is open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and we need to get to your settings. So at the bottom right, you can see is the profile button. Let's just tap on that. And from here, you have two different options. You can tap on those three lines to get into your settings and change it in the account center. But the easier option is just to go back out here and go to edit your profile. Now you can see your name and your username. Keep in mind they are different and your username has to be unique to just your account. No one else can have that. So to edit it, we'll tap on username, and it says in most cases, you'll be able to change your username back to Trevor Nace or your old username within 14 days. Now I can add anything I want to my username. However, keep in mind if I delete it down to just Trevor or something like that, and I hit done, it will say this username isn't available. So you do need a unique one that no one else has taken. I hope this helps. If it did, again, hit that subscribe button down below. It's the best way you can say thank you. Thank you.